to my channel. This is Midwest Mama. I'm here for another grocery haul video. It is Thursday and it is freezing here in Illinois. I think the last time I checked it was 8 degrees. It was 1 when I woke up. We're definitely in Arctic air or whatever they want to call it. We had quite a bit of snow after Thanksgiving. So I think we had about 9 inches or so, and like it's just supposed to be really cold and then like more snow. So anyways, I just went to I'm trying to get my scarf. Just went to Target with the husband. Right now he's filling up my car. We were on E. Is it full? Okay, I was kind of cut off there when I was filming. We were getting gas, or my husband was tanking gas for me. So anyways, we went to Target together, and we spent, I think it was like, well, it was $3.66 before I popped my card in, so I don't know what it was afterwards. So I did better than last time, but I would have spent more if the gift card I wanted to get my son worked. So I'm going to show you now what we got. I got, let me put my flash on, 2 packages of chicken breast. This one was $15.76. And this one was $13.05. I got a gallon of 1% milk. Almost didn't think they had the herb roasted chicken that I liked, but it's a different package. So I got 2 of those. I found these plates. They say very merry on them. So I got 2 packages. Downy, gentle, soft and fresh, the cherry blossom. Still liking that. 2 paper towels. I think we have like 4 left. I am going to have a coffee date with 2 of my best friends tomorrow at my friend's house. So I decided to get this seasonal offering. It is a chocolate Danish. Looked really good. And then I saw these and thought maybe Saturday morning this would be nice for, I don't know, the people that do eat this, which I only think is 3 of us. And then a loaf of bread. And then over here, now I never have had these drinks before. Is this one Alani? I don't know why it's called Benny. I don't know if that's a different brand. I'm really confused. Okay, well, I thought it was Alani, but I got this Alani Winter Wonderland and then Benny. I don't know. Lightly sparkling sugar plum fairy. And this, yeah. And then I think last time my daughter said she wanted to try this cranberry probiotic soda, so I got that for her. My husband needed some razors, so he got the Harry's. And he picked out another deodorant with 0 aluminum, parabens, and dyes. So it's Old Spice Gentleman's. And it's a scent of eucalyptus and coconut oil. Got a bag of russet potatoes for a recipe. I got some Collab dry shampoo, some scrubbing bubbles because it's time to clean that bathtub again. More hangers because I'm out again. I think like we've just been washing laundry more. I think that's what it is. I got Method laundry detergent in Fresh Air. 2 jars of the Good and Gather 3 cheese. I'm making quick chicken parmesan, so I needed that. My husband picked out this Naked Boosted Smoothie, Strawberry Banana Machine. I got 2 of the Vita Coco Coconut Waters for my son. Pulp-free Simply Orange Juice. 3 of my hazelnut creamers, 0 sugar. I only could find, well, they didn't have any more. I got 2 of the Rael Beauty Miracle Patches. And then I just picked up one of the Hero ones because I know that one's pretty good too. Okay, so I got a bunch of socks. These are for the leaders for Girl Scouts to add with their other gifts. And then this is for me and my girls. We are going to a Christmas like cookie party. And so I thought this was cute because we'll be making like cookies together. I don't know. I'm just extra like that. Tonight for Girl Scouts, we have a toy drive. And so we're always, so okay, how do I explain this? So it's like breakfast with Santa, and then the Girl Scouts, we sing carols and stuff to like the people that are eating and stuff. And then afterwards, there's like a toy, like each kid gets a gift. And so we donate because the VFW that we're at They let us have meetings there and stuff like that. So we always try to contribute to their charity drives that they do. So I got 2 of the F-Mows. I don't know. Meows. They're dragons. They were like $6 on clearance. So I got 2. Caitlin still had a bunch of these, so I only got 1 package. And then I did grab her dark chocolatey peanut butter. Supposedly it was on sale. I've never seen these before, and I thought maybe Kayla might like this, and she likes chocolate chip muffins in general. I got 1 box of the Honey Nut Cheerios, 2 bags of the cheese tortellini. We needed black ink, so I got the HP 65. Okay, I had to abruptly stop. I think I left off on the tortellini bag, so I got 2 bags of the cheese tortellini. I got 4 cans of the Good and Gather whole sweet kernel corn, and then 4 of the French style green beans, and then I got 3 bags of the cut cauliflower, the steam in bags. So that was all 3 something. And then I did go to the Starbucks in Target, and I got my little ornament. It was not cheap, but I collect these every year. I think this is my 4th one. So yeah, it was like $18. Normally they're like $13. I don't know why this one was so pricey. But yeah, $20, and then I got it. Oh, I got it for $16.95. But anyways. Stay tuned for my Walmart and Sam's Club haul. I think I'm doing pickups for both tomorrow. What do I have going on tomorrow? I know I have breakfast with my best friends. I think my son has to go to work. Plus I have to take the kids to school and stuff. But I don't know. I'll show you guys when I get it done. Stay tuned. Okay, I am back from my Walmart pickup. I spent $197.57. There were a couple items that were out of stock, so that was adjusted. I think it would have been like $230 or something like that. So I'm going to show you around now and show you what I got. I got 2 Minute Maids, 1 in pink lemonade and 1 in pineapple. I got 3 cartons of the chicken broth for the upcoming holidays and for recipes. I am making a peanut butter bar for Christmas, so I needed like mini M&Ms, and I don't know, or mini Reese's Pieces. I was having a hard time finding like the baking ones, so I just got these and it's enough. I wanted the Halo Top peanut butter, but they didn't have it. And I wanted this one as well. This one's the cookies and cream, so it's okay. At least I have one. I got home-style meatballs, some Tyson Dino Nuggets, 2 packages of Polska kielbasa, some bananas. This is what they put my broccoli in, and I already can tell they're not that great. They're already losing color in the middle there. Yeah, I don't know. We'll see. I got a package of the Rao's spaghetti. They finally had Caitlin's Better Goods crackers, so I got her a 1 box. Got 3 stacks of sour cream and onion for my son. Tostitos dip. 2 Rice-A-Roni cheddar broccolis. Mountain Dew 0. The TGI Fridays cheddar and bacon skins. This is what I'm going to have for dinner tonight. Everyone else is going to like eat out and stuff, and I'm tired and don't want to. And then I got some Oreo ice cream sandwiches because I was like craving ice cream. I got Texas toast garlic bread, 4 cans cream of mushroom. I think that's already for green bean casserole for Christmas. I'm already buying ahead because I don't think I need any of this for my meals that I'm making in the next 2 weeks. Just got a big half and half. Another gallon of 1% milk. These are for cookies. I got the semi-sweet morsels, a couple of the recipes. We're going to do like a cookie exchange party. So I think 2 of the recipes counted for these. And then I needed almond bark chocolate. I hope this is the right stuff. I had a hard time finding this. I've never melted chocolate before. So yeah, this is all like kind of new to me. These were the amazing squash that they picked out. Look at this. Look how horrible that is. Obviously, I'm going to be getting reimbursed. I mean, who would pick this out for somebody? It's so gross. The zucchini is fine. So Hopefully my husband remembers to get 3 squash for me. I got some more Skippy peanut butter. Those are for the recipes that I'm making. I got some whipped frosting, fluffy white, a small thing of French's crispy onions for Christmas, for the green bean casserole. I already have some like in another one, so I didn't need like a big one. And then we normally don't have this recipe like a lot during the year, so I got some Hawaiian bread. Oh, I forgot to take these out. I don't know if these were Christmas gifts. I think I just bought these for the girls. Yeah, and I think I could have sworn I wanted one for myself, so I don't know why I didn't buy one for my own self. But I don't know if these were... Yeah, I don't know. I think I just bought these for the girls. I did get the red Oreos, and that is for Caitlin's Oreo cookies that she makes, but I know she's doing it for the cookie exchange, but I probably should have gotten more because she probably will make this for our Christmas as well. I got the cream cheese, let's see, Kraft with a touch of cream cheese, mozzarella, some more mild cheddar cheese. I got 2 of the popcorners, white cheddar, and I got some carrot sticks for a recipe. I'm making Oreo poke cake. And so I hope people like Oreo cookies and cream. I know my family does, but so I got this pudding and then the super moist cake mix and chocolate fudge. And then another recipe I'm making, I think it's the peanut butter bars, calls for graham cracker crumbs. And I didn't feel like smashing graham crackers myself. I got a bag of Tostitos for that dip, and there's 2 cake pans. And then I decided to get Doritos Naked because there's no dyes. And then I got Simply Ruffles, and I got some more avocados. And I just realized we have like a lot. Like these 4 back here are about to get ripe. So I told my husband to get hamburgers because then we'll use all these avocados. And then I got some halves and pieces of walnut for the cookies that I'm making for the cookie exchange, and some will be without, I believe. And then I went inside Walmart with my youngest. I got these pajamas. Those were $12.98. And then this is a Christmassy dress. She doesn't really like getting Christmas stuff anymore. So she likes this polka dot dress with the bows on it. I think it was... Yeah, it's actually by a Zach Posen company. I've never seen this brand, but it was $15.98. And then I did stop in and get stuff for Christmas. These will be the napkins for Christmas, for the Christmas Eve party. And then I got some cake plates. This is something I think we will be putting the cookies in. I got a tin for the Christmas party. I'm sorry, for the exchange, the cookie exchange. I always get the Santa kisses, so these will be for our family. These are the little bows that Kayla picked out to put in her hair. I needed some gloves, so I found these pink ones. And then I got these 2 sets of treat bags. Oops, I'm sorry, Luna. I did not mean to drop that on you. Oh, sorry, guys. So that small little haul was like $88. I did get a gift card for Connor for Christmas. But yeah. So I am actually going to physically go to Sam's Club tomorrow with my husband. We're going to make it like a thing together, and so I'll show you that haul when I get it. Okay, we are back from Sam's Club. We spent $1.99 and some change. We got 2 boxes of the Little Bites. Got more of the Kerrygold butter and a, I don't know, box of spring mix. Got my husband's steak strips. I saw these pretzel bites with cheese, and I thought I would give it a try. It says it's a party tray, but I mean, I think how many come with it? I don't know how many packages are in there. I can't really tell. But yeah, I thought maybe like for lunch or something like that, that would be pretty good. I don't know. It depends how much is actually in here. I got green grapes and red grapes. And then over here, we needed provolone cheese again. And then I decided to get more of these oven roasted potatoes. We really like this. We got a 3-pack of bacon, some shrimp scampi, a big pack of pork chops. These were $22.48. I think It's definitely 2 dinners worth, maybe even 3 until we open it. Not sure. My husband picked up these avocado dipping things on the go. And I got my Just Bare chicken strips. And then I got triple A's and double A's. And so it's interesting because like they showed that these were not in stock if I would, you know, do a pickup. So we went inside today, which probably wasn't a good idea. But I mean, I don't know. We didn't do too bad. So anyways, this all was $1.99. And that will include my grocery hauls for this payday. The total is right around here. I hope you enjoyed all my grocery hauls and stay tuned for hopefully upcoming videos. I've been trying to make a cleaning video and it just didn't work out. So, but I should have some kind of new content coming up soon. So stay tuned for those. Bye guys. Hope you guys are doing well.